Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You need administrative rights because turning off the firewall alters system security. Once logged in, open the Start menu and type Control Panel, then press Enter to launch it quickly. Make sure Control Panel is in Category View so you can find System and Security without hunting through icons. Click System and Security to proceed. This is the gateway to Windows firewall controls. Doing this first saves time and avoids permission errors when you reach the actual firewall settings. Once you're in Windows Firewall, scan the status panel to see which profiles are active so you understand the scope of change. Next, click the link labeled Turn Windows Firewall on or off in the left-hand menu. That opens the specific profile controls. Then choose Off for the home or work private and Off for the public profile if your goal is to disable entirely. This immediately stops the firewall service for those profiles. Click OK to apply. Make sure you intended to disable both profiles. After clicking OK, return to the main Windows Firewall window to confirm the profiles you changed now show off. That verifies success. If settings revert or the off option is grayed out, make sure Group Policy isn't enforcing settings and that third-party antivirus suites aren't overriding Windows Firewall. If you have connectivity issues or security concerns, re-enable the firewall and add specific program or port exceptions instead of leaving the firewall disabled.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.